Good morning. Please give me just 2 minutes out of your time, out of your busy time. When the king Ahab saw Elijah, he accused him and said, "You are the one that troubled Israel." 1 King 18:17. And Elijah immediately replied, he said to him, "I am not the one that troubled Israel. You are the one that is causing trouble for the Israelites because you are following the idol of Baal." But that's not where we are going. In the same book of 1 King 18:30, was recorded that Elijah repaired the altar of God. And he mended everything that was scattered there. Do you know that you are the altar of God? The Lord wants you to go and make repairs. Check yourself inward. Make a little repair. Commune to your Father in the heaven. Seek for his face. Ask for forgiveness. You are just fighting the devil, fighting the enemies. Check yourself. If the foundation is at fault, what can the righteous do? Elijah repaired the altar of God. It is time for you to make amends with your God. And the Lord of Elijah will answer your prayers. He will wipe away all your tears. And you will not be accused again. He will fight your battle for you. In Jesus' name. He will fight your battle for you. We came from him and we are going to return to him. But on this set, it said, "Go and be flourished and multiply." I speak into your life this morning. Go and be multiplied. Go and be flourished. Go and be blossom. Go and be blessed. Your glory will open like sun, and nothing will cover it in Jesus' name. Happy Sunday. My name is Apostle Lugbenga Joshua Babatunde. I'm speaking for you from United States of America. Remain blessed.